Hello friends, welcome to FC lecture. In my last lectures, we have seen India as multilingual society, India as multicultural society, pluralistic nature of Indian society, caste system in India, gender. Now we are going to see regional variation in rural urban population and their characteristics. So see, Indian population is residing into villages as well as urban areas, cities. So Indian population if we consider, so 70% of Indian population is rural and 30% of the population is concentrated in urban area. Now though the population is low, percentage of population is low in urban area, but it is growing at a very faster pace. The rural population resides in the state of Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Himachal Pradesh, northeast hilly region, etc. At all these places and even in Himachal Pradesh, the rural population stays. Now see, generally the rural population stays in the hilly region. That is why Himachal and northeastern states are included, or the countryside you can say, जो गाँव में लोग रहते हैं, right? Deep interior in the villages, that population is called as the rural population. Now see, according to census 2001, urban centers, so they are the places with you can say a cantonment board with more than of 5,000 people and or having municipal corporation or municipalities, or the places where 75% of the male population is engaged in other non-agricultural activity, or the population density should be at least 400 people, 400 persons per square kilometers. These are called as the urban centers. Now urbanization is an indicator of economic development of a country. Now see, this urbanization which is taking place is not actually the natural urbanization, but it is the migration of people from the village to the urban area, say for job security, for education, or for improving the standard of living and so on. Now see, talking about the million plus cities. So in 1971 there were 9 million plus cities, in 1981 there were 12 million plus cities, in 1991 there were 23 million plus cities, and 2001 it was 35. Now see, the million plus cities include the 4 major metropolitan cities of India, like Greater Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata and Chennai. Apart from that, various other cities like Bengaluru, Varanasi, Allahabad, Lucknow, Kanpur, Nagpur, Pune, Surat, Baroda, Ahmedabad, etc. are included in these million plus cities. Now talking about the population, it was somewhere in 1930s, say, it was the urban population was nearly say 60 millions. In 1960s it has crossed 100 millions, and in 2001 it was nearly 218 million. So this was about the regional variation of rural urban population. Now moving on to the characteristics of rural urban population. One by one we will see. Poverty. Poverty is seen in both in rural area as well as urban areas. In rural area it is because of illiteracy, and in urban areas it is because of the unemployment or lack of skill in the people or professionalism in people. That is why poverty is there. Literacy rate, obviously literacy rate is high in urban area as compared to rural area, but these days it is increasing even in rural areas. Then occupation. In rural areas, the people are engaged in primary activities like agriculture, fishing, lumbering, mining, and these type of or livestock taming. These are the occupation in rural areas, whereas in case of urban area, the people are engaged in secondary activities like construction industry or say other small scale industries, or tertiary activities like banking, insurance. Apart from that, there are other activities or other professionals like doctor, and then lawyers, teachers, artists, etc. Unemployment. Unemployment is also at both the places, in rural areas as well as urban area. Rural area में क्यों है? बिकॉज वहाँ पे इलिटरेसी है, लोग अनपढ़ हैं, और मेजॉरिटी ऑफ पॉपुलेशन जो है वो एग्रीकल्चर में इंगेज है. whereas in and agriculture is seasonal there, so there is a disguised unemployment in case of रूरल एरिया, क्योंकि जहाँ पे छोटी सी ज़मीन होती है एंड दे हैव say joint family, so many people or all the family members are engaged in that small piece of land. So जो लैंड को एक्चुअली सिर्फ 2 जनों की ज़रूरत है, वहाँ 10 जन काम कर रहे हैं, so it is called as disguised unemployment. Whereas in case of urban area, the unemployment is due to lack of professionalism, then lack of skill development. Because of this, the unemployment is there. Next is exposure to media. Now see, as there is illiteracy in urban area, we cannot say anything about the print media. If the persons are illiterate, how will they read newspapers or magazine? So they are not exposed to newspaper, magazines, even to TV. Where only exposure to media is by radio. Whereas in case of urban area, we have the exposure to say TV, then print media is also there. So they are exposed to it. Working population is more in rural areas as compared to urban area. It is 80% in rural area, whereas in urban area it is more than 80%, less than 60%. Now distribution of population. So the urban population resides in 5545 towns and cities, whereas rural population resides in somewhere around 6 lakh village. So this was about the regional variation in rural urban population and their characteristics. In the next lecture we will see about the variation in tribes and their characteristics. Thank you.